Hello guys! Today I want to walk you through the planning process for my ITX A1 PC build. Here are the parts I'm planning to use. My final goal is to run an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X. It's a 65 watts TDP CPU. But before buying it, I want to test whether this case has enough thermal headroom to keep it cool. So for now, I'll be using what I already have, an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, which also has a 65 watts TDP. It should generate a similar amount of heat, making it a good test candidate. We'll pair it with a low-profile graphics card, the RTX 5060. This case only supports low-profile GPUs, so that's the only option. For cooling, my eventual plan is to upgrade to the Thermalright AXP 120X67 and swap its 15mm fan with a Noctua fan, bringing the total height to 77mm, still well within the case's 88mm clearance. I'm starting with the Jonesbow HP600, which is 66mm tall. To simulate that setup now, I'll replace the current 15mm fan on the HP600 with this Noctua industrial fan, also 25mm thick. That brings the cooler's total height to 76mm, giving us a realistic test of the future configuration's thermal performance. Alright, that's the plan. Let's get building.